I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both your iPhone and your Google account. Open the App Store, install Google Play Games, and sign in with the Google account you use for games. Make sure your iPhone has an active internet connection and that app permissions like notifications and location are allowed so game discovery and cloud saves work. Once done, the app can detect compatible games and link progress. This step prevents sign-in problems later, and you now connect a specific game to Google Play Games. Launch a supported title and look for a Sign In or Google Play Games button, tap it, and pick the Google account you prepared earlier. You may be asked to grant permissions so the game can read your profile and save data to the cloud. Allow those so progress syncs. Make sure to wait until the confirmation appears before leaving the screen, because interrupted logins can create duplicate profiles or lost progress. Finish by confirming your game data is syncing with Google Play Games. Open the Play Games app, view achievements or cloud saves for the linked game, and play briefly to verify progress updates. If sign-in stalls, force close both the game and Play Games, then reopen and retry. Once done, make sure you're on the same Google account. If problems persist, sign out and back in or reinstall the app. This often clears corrupted local data and restores a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.